Hey guys, this is where I show you guys how to make a intro, and I'm doing a voiceover because I tried to do my voice with this in it and it did not work. So here's how to do it. So first you're gonna download this app for making your intros called KineMaster. You're going to make a new tab pressing that button. First, you're going to go to the, there might be a watermark. You can remove that if you want to, but I don't. You're going to press media. You can press from videos or photos at the bottom. You can see all your videos and you can see all your photos by just pressing on one of them. You can tap on the photos and it will come up on your screen for the KineMaster thing. I did not crop one of my photos, so I had to crop one of my photos, and that was the wolf howling one because we are the wolf gang, guys. So I had to go and crop my photo by going to my photo thing, and I'm going to press. There's a lot of videos, guys, so don't just take notice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I was a baby that time. But yeah, because I wanted to experience it. And so, okay, we're going back apparently. I don't remember this. But, oh yeah, I zoomed in. Laughing. Okay, but anyways, guys, on with the video. So I went to that wolf photo and I cropped it by pressing edit on the edit button. At first, I didn't know how to do it because last time I knew how to do it. But you just have to press that that one like button, the one that's white that I just pressed. And then you're gonna like not that. The square button like that looks like it's rotating. That one that I just pressed. And you wanna like just make your thing cropped like that, if you know what I mean. And then that's how I crop my photo. Like that. It turned out really good. And then I went back onto KineMaster. And it was the same thing. Yeah, just showed up the same thing like that. This will be my new intro, by the way, guys. And then you can press that video play button and it will play the video. So then after you got that, you can go to layers. You can add a text. You can have overlayer, stuff like that. And I'm going to choose to write my profile name. After I done that, I can extend it to where my liking is. I can extend it to the very last one. I can extend it to the very second one. Or I can just extend it to be the very one where it first pops up. And then I can do voice record, which would be like, ow! Like that. That's what I did. You just couldn't hear it, but it did have that effect. Then you can do the same thing. You can make it long, you can make it short, you can make it, you can make it like that. And then you want to go, I went to overlayer because I thought, or effects, because I thought I had that one sparkly effect that you guys will see in a second. I thought I had that, but I did not. So yeah. Let's see. And I thought that was it, but I couldn't find it, so I just gave up. And I went to my auto, which was not very, it's not very smart, by the way. But yeah. And I thought, like, it was in one of these, but it wasn't. But sorry, guys. So I did have it later on in the video, but I realized that I pressed, like, some kind of button, which you guys will see in a minute. Then I went to overlayer and I saw that there was a shine animation that I got, and I was so annoyed. So then I just got it and I made an in animation, and there's like a fade, pop, something like that, and I chose pop. So it looked like this. And I did the same for the other side of the wolf. After that, I played it and I was perfectly ready to go. And guys, if you want to do like a different animation where you want your like name to spin and stuff, you can totally go to this guy's YouTube channel. I saw, just search up Kind Master Intros and how to do it, and then you'll be good, and they'll show you how. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and comment if you want to see more, and go in the comments below. And if you subscribe, say hashtag Wolfgang, and I'll see you in my next video.